If your joints are making cracking or clicking sounds, start drinking this shake today. The night before, soak 5 cashews, 5 almonds, 2 figs, 2 dates, and a handful of pumpkin seeds in water overnight. In the morning, drain and rinse them, then blend with 1 banana and a drizzle of honey until smooth. Drink it fresh. This smoothie is packed with nutrients and is said to bring a powerful boost of energy to the body, and it's becoming a popular natural remedy across the United States. In Ayurveda, this combination of soaked nuts, dried fruits, and seeds is traditionally valued for nourishing the body and supporting vitality. And if you'd like a personal Ayurvedic plan made just for you, comment the word joints below or tap the link in our profile bio.